God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Hello guys, I will be important message for all Filipinos. Tanjits Go has been in the Philippines for more than 4 years. In these 4 years, Tanjits Go users have risen from 1 in the first version to over 40 million now. Tanjits Go has been constantly updating itself in order to bring better game experience to Philippine users and bring them more happiness and value. Changes in different versions of Tanjits Go in recent years and highlight the iterative process of Tanjits Go. As a Tanjits Go promoter and also a big fan, we believe in the future Tanjits Go will keep creating happiness and value for us, continue to update and improve itself, and accompany users for a long time. Let's play Tanjits Go together. And if you have an interesting story about TG that you would like to share, please leave a comment. Download link in the tin comment or our description to play Tanjits Go.